I am back here today to finally give an update on my rolling time project pan. I haven't been able to film forever, since it feels like, and yeah, I just skipped last month's update because I was so late, so I thought, you know, just fuck it. Let's give it a new try in June, and yeah, it's currently the 21st of June, so I did not do great. Anyways, I just want to film my update. I want to get back into it. But before we film, before I get into my update, if you're new here, hello, my name is Helena, and here on this channel I really love to test new makeup. I also really love to use the makeup that I already own, so I do a lot of project planning. I promise. Hopefully I will be getting back on track, because work is slowing down and now when everyone is on vacation, so fingers crossed I will be able to get this shit done. Yeah, so let's get into this update. Let's just talk, I don't know even what order, let's go in order for application. So I was working on my V Cosmetics face primer, and this was like a pore filling primer. Last time, or when I rolled it in, it weighed 38 grams, and then in April it weighed 32 grams, in May it weighed 20 grams, and now it is completed. So that is super excited to roll another primer out. This was one of the primers that I did want to finish this year, so yay for me. Moving this one out. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty because it's very... Finally, it's very warm where I live. Didn't used to be that way. What else do we talk about? I think we can talk about my Coty Airspun powder. This has been in the longest, I think, since January. I have been marking it at the back, but this is all... I don't want to even... This is all I have left. So I should be able to get this shit out for next update. I mean, it's a good powder, but it's too perfumed, so I feel like I'm almost like having allergic reactions when I put it on my face, because I just sneeze because of the perfumes. This one, how much? It weighed 95 grams in January, then 88 grams, 82 grams, 80 grams, 70 grams last or in May, the update that never was, and now it's weighing 62 grams. Bear in mind, I did make these weights earlier this month because I thought I was going to be able to film. I did not. I wasn't able to film until now, so if the jump is very big until next time, that is why, because the weights are from the beginning of June and now we're like nearing the end, so well. Okay. Then I have been working on my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. This is a beautiful, beautiful foundation. Works really well on my skin. I have the shade 103 Fair, a super good shade match. And yeah, I've been making steady progress. This has been in since February. In February it weighed 116 grams, then 111 grams, 107 grams. In May it weighed 107 grams, and now it is finished. You can see the progress lines there, so I've been making steady progress. It looks like a big jump, but honestly I think it's basically like the same amount, so super happy to have that one out as well. I will be rolling in new shit at the end of the video, so you should definitely stay until then. What else? My concealer, this is from bPerfect, it's their Chroma concealer. I thought that, you know, I've been having windowing on this packaging since basically the beginning, so it's unclear how much I have left. This is what it looks like now. I still haven't taken out the stopper or anything. I do feel though that it's getting very like I have to dip back in when I do my under eyes, so maybe next month I will have the stopper out. In March, when I rolled this in, it weighed 20 grams. In April, it weighed 20 grams. In May, it weighed 11 grams. Don't know what happened with my scales there, because then in June, it weighed 16 grams. So something weird was happening in May. Don't know what, but it is still in the project. I don't know what shade I have, because it's just white writing on this beige background, which very smart. Or not. Okay, then I have my setting spray from Benefit. It's their Porefessional Super Setter Spray. It's in this bottle. I have been making very steady progress. This cap is just switched because I put the Benefit spray spritzer on my MAC Fix Plus, because the MAC Fix Plus sprayer, if you haven't had that one, it's horrible. So when I finish this, because this is finished, I just switched the spritzer or sprayer, because this is a really nice mist. It's just a poof, so it's perfect for my useless MAC. It was a useless MAC spritzer, but now it's not. Anyways, I feel like I don't even know how to film anymore. Let's see. It weighed, when I rolled it in, where are you? Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. There. In January, it weighed 117 grams. Then it weighed 103 grams, 87 grams, 67 grams, 40 grams, and now it is done. So good progress. It's a very nice spray. I would not mind getting it again. I just hate the packaging because I think it looks very cheap. That's just me. I'm a sucker for good packaging, and that is not a good packaging in my humble opinion. Alright, then we have been working on my... I had a Frankenblush from Missha. I had like a Missha face palette, and the only thing remaining from that palette was a blush. So I put it in a different pan, so to speak. And yeah, it just... I rolled it in April, and then it weighed 17 grams. In May it weighed 16 grams, and yeah, I don't know if I have progress pictures, can't remember, but it is completely empty. So that is super excited. Now I have finished that entire palette, which is great. Love it. Been really loving playing around since I didn't do any updates last month. I've been playing around a lot with my blush collection, and it's been fun. It's been good times. Good times. I like dose myself in orange blush because it's summer, so why the heck not? Now I have something in my eye. Okay, then let's talk about my bronzer. I rolled in my Boujoris Délice de Pudre bronzing powder, the shade 51. It looks like this. So it's a play on, you know, the Too Faced chocolate. It's supposed to look like a chocolate bar. I wanted to hit pan on this bronzer because it's one of my oldest bronzers, and I did not have like any use before rolling it in. So when I rolled it in, it weighed 66 grams, which it has been doing in April and May, and now it's weighing 65 grams. However, there is still no pan. I don't even know if it looks that different. What I am going to do though, because this is a matte, pretty light bronzer, and now it's summer, is I'm going to roll this one out for the summer months, and roll it back in come fall. I just really have to build it up so you can see, because I don't want to work on a matte bronzer in summer. So I am going to roll this one out and bring back a summer bronzer. Yeah, that is what I plan to do. Then let's talk about my Laura Mercier Caviar stick. Just a little mini sample. I got this from an advent calendar. This is just not really a thing that I wear. I use it as an eyeshadow primer, and yeah, it weighed 7 grams when I rolled it in. 7 grams in in April and 5 grams in May, and it is now completely done. So yeah, I wouldn't get out of my way to buy a big size of this because it's just not really something that I enjoy. It's not part of my makeup routine by any means. Then oh, I have another primer because I love working on primers, apparently. I rolled in my Catrice primer in April. Something weird about the weights here because we cannot trust it. I don't know what was happening. But in May I weighed this and it weighed 20 grams. And yeah, this is what it looks like now. It's like this grip putty primer. It's very, very, very grippy, so I have to mix it, which is what I've been doing with the V primer, because I can't wear this on its own. It's just too, the foundation like sticks to it too much and it gets splotchy and it's not a pretty look. So I combine this with other primers. Now it's weighing 18 grams. I will probably be able to finish this by next month. I mean, look at it. The pan is humongous. Yeah, it's not a favorite primer. I would not repurchase this one, but I can make it work mixing it with other primers. Then, like, I'm not really sure, since I skipped last update. I hope that I remember to talk about everything, but I don't. Let me know in the comments if you remember anything that I didn't talk about. I can't close this now, what the fuck. But I've been panning my lip liner from Kicks. This is a very, very old lip liner. It's in the shade Blueberry something. Blueberry Lips. Yeah, Kicks is no longer a brand. I mean, they have their stores. It's like Swedish Sephora, but their own brand is renamed. It's called Beauty Act now. So I should be getting this one out since it's quite old. This is how much I have left. It's a very like purple tone, but I have it actually on today, but then I kind of smudge it out with my lipstick, so I've been making it work. But I never have to sharpen this, so it will probably take, I don't even know if I will be able to get it out by the end of the year, but we're chugging along. Hopefully I will be able to get it out. Okay, so let's talk about my roll-ins, because I think those were all the products, if I'm not missing anything. So let's talk about my roll-ins. For my V primer, I'm rolling in just a mini of the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur primer. This is like a silicone primer. Not really my favorite, but because I feel like it's too slippery, but combined with this, it's not too slippery. It actually works pretty well. So I want to finish this one up. It's weighing currently 16 grams. So should be able to bust this out within a month, or at least by August it should be done. And yeah, what else? For my bronzer, I said I'm going to roll in another bronzer, so I am rolling in my Kiko Milano. If you have been following the channel for a while, you know that I worked on this last year to hit pan. Love this bronzer. It's one of my oldest bronzers, and yeah, it's a glowy, beautiful product. I wanted to hit pan on this last year, but I wasn't able to. This is what it looks like. But I do have quite some use on it. If you see, it used to be domed all the way, and now it's getting flatter. So this is what I'm going to work on for the summer. Highly recommend Kiko Milano's bronzers. It's just one of the best bronzers in my humble opinion. Alright, for my foundation, I will roll in another foundation. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. This is a very, very thick, full coverage foundation, and it's also too light for me. Believe it or not, me being this color of skin. I have the shade Marisol, and I don't know how much I have left because I've been working on it, like trying to figure out how to use it, been mixing it with concealers and so on because the coverage is so high. Now I found a way, because in a different project I enrolled the Bounce foundation from Beauty Blender, and I realized that because that's a slightly too dark, and that's a perfect foundation to mix this one with. So I want to finish this one up. It really feels very light, so it is also one of the foundations that I want to finish this year. It's weighing currently 23 grams, but I don't know how much is left because the packaging is opaque, so I can't really tell, but I want to get it out. Then for my caviar stick, I am putting in my eyeliner. This is from LA Girls. It's their Shockwave Metal Eyeliner, and this is in the shade something about cake, I think. No, Lullaby. It's like cake. And yeah, I wanted a beige eyeliner, but this is a metallic eyeliner, so it's not perfect. What I do is I use it on the inner corner and underneath my eyes, which I have done today, to kind of make it a primer for my eyeshadow that I put underneath my lash line. So I want to finish this one up. This is how much we have, and it's weighing 5 grams. Then for my setting spray, I am rolling in my Beauty Creations Peach setting spray. This is what that one looks like. It has 20 mils, 4 fluid ounces, and yeah, I've been working on it for June now, so I'm currently sitting like here, and I want to finish it up. I think it will be no problem because this is like I used very much. It was brand new when I started using it. Smells like peach. Don't know what it really does, if it makes my makeup last longer, but I mean it's fine. It's fine. I just want to get it out. Now I have 10 products. I have my spray, my foundation, my bronzer, my eyeliner, 2 primers, concealer, and my powder. So those are the products. What should I be able to finish up? I should probably be able to finish the powder by next month. Maybe both of these I will be able to finish. Hopefully the concealer, we shall see. But yeah, those are the products that I probably will be close to finish. Don't know, maybe this one. It will be a big surprise when it happens. But yeah, those are my products. Let me know if you are doing a rolling 10 product pan. How is the journey going for you? And yeah, how are you? Because it's been a long ass time since I sat down to film. So I would love to hear from you in the comments. Say hi. Let me know that you were here. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.